I want you to think about the person who is dying, and I want you to think about the person who watches people die. And if your heart breaks for Gaza, if your heart breaks with every single father that you see pull out a child from under the rubble that is absent from Western media, it's important for you to use everything that you have to bring forth the cause of Palestine that has been ignored, and not let anybody put you on the back foot. Every moment that you speak up, it might cost you your job, it might cost you something at work, it might cost you this and it might cost you that, it might cost us collectively some sort of political currency, it might cost us all sorts of different things. But this is for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so you have to be willing to use whatever voice you have. Right now, as this public narrative is entirely dominated by this occupational machine,